Welcome to a small CSS project which I am going to make, which will have a jumping animation which we can show for loading. Actually, this project I am going to use in the next JavaScript project which I am going to do. So I thought better make it in a separate project. So I have a folder CSS jumping animation. Inside that, empty index.html and style.css. Let me do the basic. Yeah, that, let me name it jumping animation, and then let me link my CSS, which is style CSS, and it will be having a very simple, let me change the font size. It will be having a very simple body. Then div dot loading, class of loading, and div dot circle into 3. Yeah, like this. Everything we're going to create through CSS. So let me open styles.css and then body. Oh yeah, I forgot to open it on the live server, so let me open it. Go live. It will open. See, we don't have anything written here, so nothing will be shown. We have to style it first. So body, then background color is hash 0 to 1638. Yeah, it is working. Display is flex because we want to center whatever is there. Align item is center. Justify content is center. Min height is 100 vertical height, and margin is 0. Still now we don't have anything because we have not created anything. Now we will create this loading. We'll also have a display of flex. Now the main thing, the 3 circles which we have. So circle, background color is hash FFF white, then border radius is 50%, margin is 2px between each of them, height is 10px, width is 10px. Yeah, and our 3 circles are been finally shown. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a very simple animation. So for animation we give this animation keyword, and after that the animation name is jump. It is for 0.5 sec, is in, and it will be infinite. So if I save it, nothing will happen because I have to write the animation. So let me write it with at keyframes jump, yeah, at 0% comma 100%. So we can give a different percentage. So we are making it same as 0% and 100%, and it will be transform will be translate y 0, it will be 0 only, and at 50%, let me copy it, Yeah, transform transition wide, it is minus 10 px. So let me save it and see, it is moving up and down because on the y-axis we're changing, so it is moving up and down. But actually we want second and a third circle to move at a different time, not at the same time. So what we are going to do, this is very simple to do. First we have to target them, dot circle. If how we target them, by nth of type we can target. Second, we can have an animation delay of 0.1 sec. See, the second one is showing like this. Now for the third one I will have for 2 sec. Now it will show a nice loading animation. The third one is also, so it is sort of waving in the wave fashion. So this we can use in almost any website. We are soon going to create an infinite loading with JavaScript where we are going to use it, but you can show it in the loading place of anything. So hope you like this small CSS series. See you soon.